Cheese, a favorite for many, comes in 6 main types: hard cheese, medium hard cheese, blue mold cheese, white cheese, fresh cottage cheese, and goat cheese. Each of these main types encompass a variety of cheeses. Let's look at mozzarella cheese, a type of fresh cheese. Originating from Italy, it is made from buffalo or cow's milk and is known for its elastic nature and dense texture. It is commonly added to red sauce, salads, and pizzas. Next is cheddar cheese, a medium hard cheese originally from England. Made from pasteurized cow's milk, its color ranges from white to pale yellow. However, orange-colored food coloring is often added, changing its color to yellow-orange. Finally, Emmental or Swiss cheese. Made from unpasteurized cow's milk, it's known for its pleasant taste and aroma, and distinctive voids formed by the accumulation of carbon dioxide gas bubbles. Gouda cheese hails from the Netherlands and is a creamy, crumbly delight made from cow's milk. Next, we have Feta cheese, a slightly salty cheese made from goat or sheep milk, originating in Greece. Parmesan, a hard cheese from Italy, made from unpasteurized cow's milk, is a staple in many dishes like soups, pizzas, and pasta. Mascarpone cheese, also from Italy, is made from pasteurized cow's milk and is famed for its use in desserts like tiramisu and cheesecake. Roquefort cheese, a blue mold cheese from France, is made from sheep's milk and has a unique taste due to the penicillium fungus. Lastly, cottage cheese, a mushy cheese made from cow's milk curd from the United States, is high in protein content and low in calories.